Want to learn English fast, feeling confused or stuck with grammar and vocabulary? Don't worry, in this video, I will show you 3 easy and fun ways to learn English at home. No boring books, no stress, just simple steps that really work. So grab your notebook and let's begin your English journey today. Learning English can feel hard, but with the right methods, you can do it. In this video, I will show you 3 easy ways to learn English. These methods are great for beginners and also helpful for intermediate learners. Let's get started. Way number 1. Listen every day. One of the best ways to learn English is by listening. You don't need to understand everything. Just listen and your brain will start to learn naturally. What to listen to? English podcasts, YouTube videos with subtitles, English songs, audiobooks. You can listen while walking, cleaning or traveling. Even 15 minutes a day is good. Try this step. Choose a short video with subtitles, which is once with subtitles, then again without subtitles. Try to repeat what you hear. This helps you improve both listening and speaking. For example, watch simple shows like FIFA Pig or English Addict with Mr. Steve. These shows use simple words and slow speaking. The more you listen, the more your ears understand English. Way 2. Speak without fear. Many people are shy to speak English, but speaking is very important. If you don't speak, you don't improve. How to practice speaking? Talk to yourself in English. Use language exchange apps like HelloTalk or Tandem. Practice with a friend. Read aloud every day. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. Try this step. Stand in front of a mirror and talk about your day in English. For example, today I woke up at 7 a.m. I made tea. I went to work. It's okay if your grammar is not perfect. Keep speaking. There is a bonus idea you should remember. Record yourself, then listen to your voice. Try to improve your pronunciation day by day. Confidence is more important than perfect grammar. Way number 3. Learn 5 new words daily. Vocabulary is the key to communication. If you know words, you can speak, write and understand better. Why 5 words? 5 is not too many. It's easy to remember. And if you learn 5 new words every day, you will know 150 new words in a month. How to learn vocabulary? Use flashcards, paper or app. Write the word, its meaning and one sentence. Review old words daily. Use them in your writing and speaking. Try this tip. Take a small notebook. Write today's 5 words with examples. For example, happy means feeling good. I am happy today. Cold means not warm. The water is cold. Eat, to take food. I eat rice for lunch. Run, to move fast. He runs every morning. Book, pages to read. This is my English book. Say the words, repeat the sentences, use them in your real life. There is a bonus step. Try the 5-5-5 rule. 5 words, 5 minutes to review, 5 sentences using new words. Words are like building blocks. The more you collect, the better your English. Extra bonus tips. Here are a few more small tips to help your English grow faster. Read simple English books. Choose short stories or children's book. They use basic grammar and easy words. Read one page a day. Watch with English subtitles. When watching videos or movies, turn on English subtitles. It helps connect the sound with the text. Join English groups. Join a Facebook group, WhatsApp group, or Telegram channel for English learners. You can chat and practice daily. Learn with music. Listen to your favorite English songs. Try to write down the lyrics and sing along. Stay consistent. Practice every day. Even 10 minutes a day is better than 1 hour once a week. Small steps lead to big success. Now you know 3 easy ways to learn English. Listen every day, speak without fear, learn 5 new words daily. Which tip will you start today? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple English videos. Thanks for watching and remember you can learn English. Keep learning and keep shining.